and today's farewell will be very nice, more than that.
And with this, how do you expect the upcoming assembly elections as far as Concom constituency is concerned?
I am fully prepared.
Fully prepared. 10-13 जाण आसा 30 जाण आसा तुज्या पार्टीचे कितले आसा कोण
More the merrier.
How would you go ahead with your development work which you have done in the last 5 years, or what it is?
See, this is not my first election.
Correct.
This is nearly 8th election of mine, plus 2 in Panjim also. So people count on you on your overall performance. First of all, how when they voted, what they expected from that candidate. That expectation I have fulfilled.
No, but is it the same process like पहिले 3-4 आसतले आता तो 6-7-8 आसता?
It's not merry. It's a merry-go-round man.
मेरी गोरा तुका बरें
म्हाका बरें ना.
तुमकां दिसता हे 2-2 दीस असेंब्ली आसा लोकांचे प्रश्न सुट्टा कशे हितून?
No. I feel it is not. But there is a circumstances such that we have to keep for today.
No, keep for today. समज तो प्रश्न सुटना आला तर की असेंब्ली किती
No, listen, see, like that we had the assemblies throughout the year.
आपण 15 दिवस काय ना करू ना तुम्ही
Corona, see, every time when somebody is in the road, they want that assembly should be of minimum.